Welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we're going to be showing you guys a new backyard transformation. We're doing a bunch of retaining walls, some steps, some pavers, some concrete work. It's going to be sweet. We have Tito with the excavator getting started. We got Raul over there picking up the pavers, and then I'm going to set up the GoPro. I'm not too sure where we would be putting it, but we're gonna do it. So right now we're just gonna start demoing the tree trunks and then getting all the demo work done. We're gonna be doing tiered retaining walls with steps, some preparation for sod, and going from there. So it's gonna be fun. So we got our first load with the dump truck out. We're loading the dump trailer. Now excavating with the excavator. We got the Canicom working hard too. Got all these piles. We got Tito over there trying to get the levels with the laser. So it's gonna be rock. Look at that. So here's a job update. We got the wall up. We're gonna be backfilling with some drainage rock, have the drainage pipe exit out that way, and then 3/4 inch drainage pipe for backfill. This is our last block, and then so the drainage rock will be going up to about right here to the second block, and then going from there. The second retaining wall is going to start about right there, but we need a backfill so that it's good. Retaining wall cap, all of that is going to be filled, and we're bringing in structural fill so far. So this is it. Check out the steps, 8 foot wide, looking good. ¿No? Allá lo estoy leyendo los dos. Lo que ya tenía toda la barda backfill. Tito. Dice, ya la tengo toda backfill. Nah, dile que no se traume. The next day. What's going on, guys? Check out the progress we have been making. So right here, this wall is going to actually go in a little bit more out that way, so it retains all that. We actually completed the steps already. Here, the steps are complete. Now we just got to backfill this a little bit, bury up the first layer. The steps are made. We're gonna do some pavers here, DG, the retaining wall. So the homework for today, we're gonna get the first layer installed. That one's actually gonna be straight. Then we're gonna do the steps, backfill. I have to go pick up the skid steer. I have a load of backfill right now. So I've actually bought in maybe like 30 tons just to fill this guy in. Then right here, we're doing a job that actually helped me not spend so much money on fill. But I'm excited for this project. It's gonna be beautiful. They're actually gonna be doing a deck up there as well. So it's gonna be sick. So we're walking in and I see that the second wall is already pretty much done. So the guys weren't able to work at the other job site. So we sent them over here and damn. So we're just pulling up to Rob and Jessica's job site. We got a lot done. We pretty much backfilled everything. The walls are done. We just need to finish this guy off and then connect. Need some block here, but it's looking beautiful. We got the retaining wall all complete. It looks beautiful. So here we just need the cap over here again. Now imagine this with lights here in a couple days. We leveled all this, it's all backfilled. So then right now we got to cover that up and just backfill that and compact. But man, this looks beautiful. The guys did a great job.
Several days later.
Well, we are finally starting to see the light at the end of the tunnel with Rob and Jess's project. We got the walls all done, we got the irrigation in, we got the raised patio, caps, everything is done. We're now prepping for the concrete. As you guys can see, we got a little bit of base in. We're on a hill, so it's a little bumpy, but once we get it going with the Viber plate, it will be nice and smooth. Looks really good. It's all done. All right, well, just adding the finishing touches, right? So they still got to finish and do their magic. The joint looks pretty straight. So right now they get on top of the concrete and they start finishing it, just kind of like how they're doing it right here. So right now he's floating it, and then they get the other trowel, that guy right there, and that's how they start finishing it. Make it look nice and smooth. So right now when it hardens up a little bit, they get on top, do that, and then they start brooming.
The next day.
Well, we got the green light. Concrete is done. Now we just got to clean up the street And later tonight we're gonna go get the concrete blankets and cover it up. So we got Ugo there dancing, but look at it, looks beautiful. We're wrapped up. We're just gonna put some DG right here, DG on the sides, DG right here, clean this up, put a post here, that way they can create a gate. And to another beautiful project. Happy clients. We did some concrete work. We built a gate that we weren't supposed to build, but I didn't like the idea of just putting 2 posts, so we built the gate. We did a 28 by 20 patio, 4 steps, round paver walkway. This is going to be some grass. They are going to be installing it tomorrow, actually. We did 2 massive retaining walls with some 8-foot wide steps going down, a landing, our second retaining wall, and compacted DG. It looks amazing. This project will definitely be on my portfolio for a long time. Thank you guys so much for tuning in on the progress of this beautiful build. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one.